Did you know that you can just use the URL of any website and recreate it inside of AI Studio? Check this out. So I really like this site. I like the movement, I like the images, the graphics, the way it works. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the URL of this website. Then I'm going to hop over into AI Studio, paste this in, and just say rebuild this website with the URL. Just by doing that and then sending this through, this will build the website just from that URL. So it's starting to build it. Let's give it a couple minutes and I'll be right back. And just like that, seriously, just one prompt, we've got this entire website built inside of AI Studio. And I kid you not, this is nearly identical to the website that we referenced for this. And literally all we used is just this URL of this template. So using this, you can effectively clone any website out there. So if you find ones that you really like, their look and feel, and you want to adapt it to your business, feel free to use it inside of AI Studio in order to rebuild some really cool websites. So if you have websites that you've already built, but you want to bring them into AI Studio, just copy the URL and throw it in the chat just like that, and it will bring the entire website into AI Studio by rebuilding it from scratch. Of course, be smart with this. Don't steal other people's stuff. Just use it to create your own creative things inside of AI Studio, but this is absolutely awesome. If you want to learn more about this, drop a comment on this video or refer to the blog, and you can learn more about building sites with AI Studio with URLs. My name is Andrew, and thank you very much for watching.